Welcome to Jason and Chris Richards Cooking Corner.
Hello!
I always have two names.
What are we making today?
Well, today we've got this beautiful olive oil seasoned with potatoes and onions.
Mm-hmm. Just lightly.
Lightly seasoned olive oil with potatoes and onions. And we've got this.
Yeah.
You make a nice meat wrapped tightly and then cut up. So that it can easily enter your mouth.
We call this meat coins because they're so dainty and uniform. You could almost deposit them into your bank account or your local vending
That's
machine.
how rich they make you feel.
Mm-hmm. Just like quarters.
What you also like is a nice, really shitty light beer.
Mm. It's a must. A friend? Cheers. Thank you, friend. We're going to continue coining this meat.
You want to coin it to the size of coins.
Mm-hmm.
Just shake it a little bit. Just shake it.
Mm-hmm.
See
If
this?
I had a nickel for every time I heard that.
And then what you're gonna need is another friend to come about
Put that in the pot.
with her salt.
I already salted it.
She salted it for.
Unfortunately, we don't have anything under the desk to pull out and be like, this was already salted.
So
But
you're
it has
gonna
been.
have to wait.
So you don't see the pre